Hi, this is Pat from Associated Siding and Remodeling, Omaha, Nebraska. Today I'm going to show you a house that we just got done with a couple weeks ago that we put mastic vinyl siding on. It's the Quest panel. They're 25-foot 6 long lengths, so you eliminate most of the seams on the house. See, there's no seams up here because there aren't any pieces that are shorter. Well, no, I take it back. There's 1, 2, 3 seams on this wall, so eliminates most of them. We'll see what this seam people don't like. But you get the idea, you get rid of these. New numbers on here, new lights. Put aluminum soffit up here in the cantilever. Already had aluminum soffit on it. Trim above the garage doors all fixed up. So you get a nice clean look at this siding. Nice and thick, rated to 270 mile-an-hour winds, I think. Good stuff. That's Mastic. It's by Ply-Gem Corporation, or Ply-Gem Industries. Light blocks on the lights, gives them a nice flat surface to mount on. Looks very nice. Trim along the chimney was kind of interesting because they had to cut out for each one of those little bricks, put aluminum, and then trim the siding up to it, so it looks nice and clean and professional. All caulked against the chimney, fixes it right up. What we got back here? This bay window, they kind of customized it a little bit the way they did the corners with the aluminum pieces, and then it has the decorative rib bins in it to make it look nice. Channel all fits perfect. Everything's always good. Took the railing apart, detached it from the house so we could put the siding right behind the railing instead of cutting around the railing like a lot of people do, which is a bad way to go. We put a new box extender on the electrical outlet, put a utility block around that. The windows were already done except for until we did this trim on this sliding door. You can tell there again your decorative rib in the aluminum. Everything is all good. We've done this stuff a long time. If you're interested in getting siding on your house, need a deck, need windows, need new roof, do all kinds of things. So if you're interested, give us a call. It's Associated Siding Remodeling, Omaha, Nebraska. Have a good day.